Have you ever wondered why we spend nearly 1/3 of our lives asleep? It looks like nothing is happening. You're lying still. Your eyes are closed. Everything seems quiet. But inside your brain, it's the busiest shift of the entire day. Let's shrink down and see what's really happening. The moment you fall asleep, the lights inside your brain begin to change. A giant clock strikes midnight. Suddenly, hundreds of tiny engineers put on their night helmets. One of them smiles and says, "Day shift is over. Night crew, let's get to work." The control room lights up. Every worker rushes to a different part of the brain. Tonight, there's a lot to do. First, the cleaning team arrives. Tiny vacuum robots begin collecting waste left behind after a long day of thinking. Small pipes open. Special cleaning fluid flows through the brain. Dust, old chemicals, and unnecessary waste are carried away. By morning, everything is cleaner than before. Meanwhile, another team opens today's memory files. They sort everything you experienced today. Your conversations, that guitar lesson, the funny video you watched, even the mistakes you made. One worker stamps important memories, keep. Another stamps others, delete. Only the useful information is carefully stored for the future. Across the brain, repair crews are already working. Tiny cracks in neural pathways are reinforced. Loose connections are tightened. Damaged cells receive fresh supplies. Some pathways become even stronger, especially the ones you practice during the day. While you're sleeping, your brain is quietly upgrading itself.
As sunrise approaches, the workers begin finishing their jobs. The floors are clean. The memories are organized. The neural pathways shine brighter than before. The supervisor smiles. Everything's ready for tomorrow. The lights slowly turn back on. You wake up, feeling refreshed. Remember this: sleep isn't doing nothing. It's when your brain does some of its most important work.